When you attend Arizona Actors Academy, you will learn how to go and audition and not feel like this is a chore, but it's like a joy. You will learn how to develop roles within yourself so that you feel artistically fulfilled, but you're also fulfilling what the director wants. You come to AZAA, you're finding this family, this group of people who not only tells you how to be good and great, but how to be yourself. If you are interested in acting class, but you've never tried it before, probably want to start in my intro class, which is called Acting Foundations. That class really is foundational to everything that you're going to learn as an actor in whatever discipline you choose. It makes it a really good transition between the foundations class into my technique class, which is where you get to start to dig your fingers into character. You really get to work on a monologue, and then you work on scene work. So even though these are group classes, I'm really paying specific attention to you. What do you bring to the table? What are your artistic qualities? What are the things that you love about this work that I can foster and grow?
Anybody can learn improv and anybody can do it. The thing that keeps people from doing it is the fear that they're not going to be good enough. And the truth is that everybody's good enough once they believe it. In your acting process, you're really working with stuff that already has realities built, and you're finding the information from what's already there, whereas in improvisation, you get to play and discover the realities from your own point of view, your own perspective. As an artist, you get to discover and explore your own artistic voice.
The Meisner technique is based off the idea that acting is living truthfully under imaginary circumstances. It's very much about listening, focus, developing your imagination. It's really about giving yourself permission to be the full range of human that you can be, so that you can step into a role and not have like a pre-planned choreographed dance, but like step into it and go, well, this is who I would be if I was a murderer or a scientist or a hero or someone going through this story. This is how that relates to me.
Shakespeare is one of those immersive arts that once you give into it, it is a beautiful exploration of the total character. We believe that if you can tackle Shakespeare and really lean into it, you can tackle anything. It leads doors to Moliere and August Wilson and poetry and all kinds of beautiful things because of its rhythm. We choose to do Shakespeare Under the Stars because Shakespeare Under the Stars is magical. Theater Under the Stars is magical, and it is how Shakespeare intended it to be.
Method acting has at its core Lee Strasberg's relaxation and sensory. The biggest block for an actor is the actor himself. The actor has to be ugly, messy, frightening, or conversely, joyous, envious, sexy. Sensory is believing the imaginary circumstances. To live truthfully, as Meisner said. That's the sensory word.